It's no secret that cats, much like humans, have distinct personalities. And that's why we've created the Gourmet Cat Personality Test. The results of the test will be used to help veterinary scientists at Massey University in their research to better understand and care for New Zealand's little furry darlings. So before you take the test, please familiarise yourself with the following personality traits. Extroverted. Introverted. Sensing. Thinking. Intuitive. Understanding. Logical. Imaginative. Find out your cat's personality and you'll receive a voucher for a complimentary 185-gram can from Gourmet's delicious range of cat food when you buy another can.